Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up discounts here in BigCommerce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in BigCommerce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Setting up discounts in BigCommerce is a simple process that can be a powerful strategy to attract customers and boost sales. Now, for you to be able to set up discounts here in BigCommerce, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and go to the marketing and click the arrow here. What will happen is you would have these options. I want you to click on the promotions. And from here, these are going to be where you can set up discounts, all right? There are two main options. You can go for the automatic, all right, or the coupon. We will explore both options. I want you to click on the automatic for now. And you can manage the priority of that. You see, you can not set or set it later, but for the meantime, we're going to create the first one. We have the option to create with a standard editor, which is what will happen if you click on that. You can enter your promotion here. For example, I'm going to put that in starting from November, hold on, let's say December 1st, right? And you can add an end date and time. I'm not going to do that. Just let it be that way. And after that, you can put in the target customers if the currency is USD, or if you wanted, you can use the British pound or any currency for that matter. Let's do that. And now all we have to do is very simple, really. Click the create a promotion. Now, if you haven't added rules, just click on the add targeting rules or add a rule here. All right. Say, for example, you can choose from buy one, get one free, or buy X products, get % off the next, or discount order subtotal, whichever you prefer. But for now, let's try to click the buy one get one for free. These are optionals, all right? So I'll leave that to you. But for now, I'm going to click that, and these are going to be the rules. For example, if the customer buys a product which is reaching a quantity of what? For now, one, including individual products, all products, or in category or in brand. I'm going to choose, let's say, all products for now. All right, so I'm not going to add exclusion rule. All right, I'm going to delete that. And of course, the reward is a gift in their cart. Is it going to be a free shipping, discount on products, or discount on order subtotal? Maybe let's go for the free shipping. But of course, since we're setting up a discount on products, all right, we're not going to do that here. Now, what I'm going to do is, again, this is up to you on what kind of promotion that you wanted, but for now I'm going to click on the unlimited times, right? You can select a percentage or amount here. You can be technical if you want from this to the each product's price or the total price of included products. So let's do that. Applied on what? Up to all products or all products. So let's choose the all products for now. You can include products already on sale or including products that satisfy the condition. I'm going to choose both, all right? For including all of the products, you can put in all products, in category, in brand, and in all individual products. And click the add rule to all products for now. Click add rule to promotion. And here, once you are satisfied, all you're going to do is click the create a promotion. It's very simple, really. Just click the create a promotion. And as you can see, all currency is invalid. So let's change the currency. Let's stick with a USD, United States dollar for now. Let's try to click the create a promotion. And there you go. We have already created a promotion, which is a code, right? Now, you see, when you click on the coupon, there's going to be a coupon codes here on the left side. If you create a coupon, it would reflect here. You see that? Now, we're going to click the create a coupon code. You see that on the promotions, there is a coupon on the another tab. You see this coupon code? You can either create here or go to the coupon codes. All right. Let's say let's create a coupon. Coupon code is going to be this one. Coupon name is this. Maybe let's create a coupon code out of this right here. So the discount type is what? It's up to you. Dollar amount of the order total, dollar amount of each item in the order, or percentage of each item in the. It's up to you, right? I'll leave the choices to you. Or is it going to be free shipping? We're not going to do with that. Instead, amount of the order total. Now, on the discount amount, you can put in, for example, it's going to be 6.9 of the order total, or 69. Minimum purchase is going to be like this. Number of uses, it's going to be this, and number of limit cases is going to be 9. Right? This coupon code does not apply on top of cart level discounts. Let's do that. You can exclude the cart level discounts. And of course, you have the option for the enable. This coupon code is enabled and can be used. Would you like to put an expiration? If you don't put a date. If you want, you can put on that as well. Now, the coupon code conditions is that it can be used with these categories. If you don't want to specify any categories, all you have to do is click on the all categories, all right? And click on save. It says discount amount. All right, so let's try that. Once you're happy with that, all I'm going to do now is that. Now, on the promotions again, I want you to click on the create with standard. You can put in any amount here and, of course, create promotion. And again, the rules, do not forget the rules, right? Or add a rule here. Discount, sub-order totals, apply template. Click add rule promotion and click create promotion. It's very easy. Now, the last thing that you need to do is go to the products, and of course, you can add a new product here. Product name is this one. And on the very bottom, you will see about the pricing, right? You have to hover down below where you can see the customs information. Right here, it says there's going to be an option for the bulk pricing. If you want to put in a discount type here, all right, you can put in a discount percentage, all right, and add it here. All right, so these are going to be your options in creating and setting up discounts in BigCommerce. All I got to do is click on save. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.